Was Coca-Cola created as a medicine? The origins of Coca-Cola. The inventor, John Pemberton. John Pemberton was a pharmacist from Atlanta, Georgia. In 1886, he created a syrup with the intention of providing a medicinal tonic for common ailments. Original purpose, a medicinal tonic. Pemberton's concoction was marketed as a brain tonic and intellectual beverage, claimed to cure headaches, relieve exhaustion, and soothe nerves. The original ingredients. The original formula included coca leaves, containing cocaine, and cola nuts, providing caffeine, mixed with sugar and other flavorings. Transition to a beverage. As it gained popularity, Coca-Cola transitioned from a medicinal tonic to a refreshing beverage, marketed to a wider audience. Modern position in the market. Today, Coca-Cola is one of the most recognized brands in the world, with billions of servings consumed annually. The hidden dangers of Coca-Cola consumption. High sugar content. A single can of Coca-Cola contains about 39 grams of sugar, which is roughly 10 teaspoons. This excessive sugar intake can lead to various health problems. Dental issues. High sugar content in Coca-Cola promotes the growth of bacteria in the mouth, leading to tooth decay and cavities. Liver problems. Fructose, a component of high fructose corn syrup used in Coca-Cola, is metabolized in the liver. Excessive consumption can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of high-sugar beverages like Coca-Cola can cause insulin resistance, leading to type 2 diabetes. Increased risk of heart disease. High sugar intake is linked to a higher risk of heart disease. Excess sugar can raise blood pressure and increase chronic inflammation. Caffeine content. Coca-Cola contains caffeine, which can be addictive. Excessive caffeine consumption can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and increased heart rate. Mental health impact. Caffeine addiction can contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety and insomnia, affecting overall well-being. Weight gain and obesity. High calorie content from sugar contributes to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for numerous health conditions. Metabolic syndrome. Regular consumption of sugary drinks like Coca-Cola is linked to metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Digestive issues. Phosphoric acid in Coca-Cola can interfere with calcium absorption, leading to digestive issues and potential bone health problems. Bone health. Excessive phosphoric acid consumption can affect bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Moderation is key. While enjoying Coca-Cola occasionally is unlikely to cause severe harm, regular excessive consumption poses significant health risks. Healthier alternatives. Consider healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices to reduce sugar intake and maintain better overall health. In summary, understanding the origins and potential health impacts of Coca-Cola can help make more informed choices about its consumption. Click the link below for more health tips. For more health tips and informative videos, like, comment and subscribe to All Natural Way. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.